Hello and welcome. This is Anjolie with Cosmic Vibes Tarot. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if my readings happen to resonate with you, please like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for future uploads. This is one way you can support my channel. If you are already a subscriber, thank you again and welcome back. Please note that all of my readings are timeless and are for the Sun, Moon, Rising, Jupiter, Venus, and Cross Watchers, unless otherwise stated. Videos that are not for individual signs are for the general collective. And when you see the video, it's the right time for you to see it. Again, thank you for watching and brightest blessings to you. Hello, Aquarius. Good to see you. We are going to find out what the universe wants you to know for the month of December 2019 as we come to a close of the year and get ready to move forward. Let's go out with a good idea of what to expect for the month of December for Aquarius. What is the message for the Aquarians for 2019 December? Choices. House. And one more. This is for Aquarian. For all Aquarians, December 2019. Yep, there we go. All right. Here we have choices, the house, and the snake. All right, so this month is centered on home. I've had this come up for a lot of people, so I guess a lot of people might be staying at home this month. Okay, that's a good thing. We're nearing the holidays, so home is a good place to be, especially if it's a happy home. All right, so we're faced with a decision about our house, and we're either dealing with a woman who is not the nicest person, or we're dealing with all kinds of problems at hand. Please note that I am blunt and to the point in my readings, and I do not hold back any truths. If I see something, I say something. All right? On that note, we're going to find out what these cards are doing here and what the message is. Why is the choice card here? Okay, we have the Six of Wands. Oof, oof, oof. Too many cards. Why is the house here? Why is the house here? One card, please. Just one. There we go. Okay, and why is the snake here, please? Okay. All right. What we have is the Six of Wands, the Chariot, and Judgment reversed. Okay, the decision you're making Might be inspired by your, well, maybe your career, but something that is more of a creative passion of yours. It's a card of success. It's a card of victory, and you have to make a choice at what you believe will be the best path for you to take. Okay, so there's going to be a situation where you're going to be faced with making a choice. Now, with the house being the center of attention, we also have the Chariot. There may be some travel in the near future for Aquarius, and I think that it'll be a short trip. I'm kind of sensing that, but it will be a good trip. Okay, so the snake is here because there are certain situations in your life. I'm sensing that there are events happening in your life that you really need to exercise judgment on. This card is a card of betrayal. It's a card of backstabbing and problems of all sorts. It also represents a woman, a malicious woman who doesn't have your best interest at heart. So you need to exercise judgment in the people that you meet or that you associate yourself with. Okay, I'm going to pull one card to clarify the snake and judgment, just so that we can end on a high note and give some direction as to what we can do to prevent King of Swords. Okay, the King of Swords come out reversed. Intelligence and integrity are the words that I'm hearing. Oops, sorry. Maintain integrity in the situation, Aquarius. You're an air sign, and this represents the Aquarius right here. So this is an Aquarius male, but it can be a female too, because my readings are for the general public or the collective conscious. I'm not associating gender at this point, but the traits of this card. So just maintain integrity and keep clear thoughts about the situation. The King came up reversed, so that tells me that there's a chance that your thoughts might be clouded a little bit. So make sure you exercise good judgment and keep those thoughts clear. Okay, I am hearing that Spirit wants to give you a message through this deck. This is my Flower of Life deck. So, what is the overall message for Aquarius for the month of December 2019? Thank you. Oh, nope, I'm hearing this one. Okay. Tarot. This is amazing. A tarot reading will inspire, give guidance, and create new paths for you. A reading is objective, There is no external authority deciding if you have been good enough to be rewarded or bad enough to have something taken away. For everything in the outside world is a reflection of the inner. Allow a reading to be what it is: objective material flowing from your higher self to alert you to the truth and essence of you. A reading can show you where your life potential is. However, if you are not willing to make the changes that are being shown to you or have brought you to have a reading, nothing will change. Each experience gives you the opportunity to move away from fearful thinking. You have the potential, Aquarius, to be whomever you want. I'm going to hold that card there for just a second. So if you want to pause the video, you can. So you can read that and write it down if you'd like. Okay. On that note, Aquarius, well, if you do decide to get a reading and you resonate with my readings, I am available by appointment only. And you can see the end of the video and the description box for my information on how to contact me to book a reading. And I want to thank you and happy holidays.